Hey, what's up YouTube? Double Odd Josh coming at you guys today with my 26th vacuum sealing video, and we're just going to keep going with the SMB 762 by 39 FMJ, which I keep showing you guys. And so to begin, we're going to look at some measurements. In fact, here's the box from the previous video, and as you can see, you're going to need about 1 inch of bag on the bottom and about 4 inches of bag up top here. And then when you look at the box itself, you'll notice that the box measures 1 inch on one side and about 2.5 inches on the other side. And when you add up those four measurements, those equal about 8.5 inches. So let's go ahead and measure that out from our roll up top here, and of course cut it out. Alright, that looks about good. Okay, and so right now what we have is a bag, well, more like a plastic sleeve that's open on both ends. So we need to seal off one end to start the bag, and you'll notice it curls down. That's the way we're going to go ahead and feed it inside the machine. And the machine is, of course, left on from the previous video, so we're going to go ahead and hit seal up top here. It's going to turn red, and let's go ahead and feed it into the machine here. Alright, so now we just need to wait 20 seconds for the machine to cool down. So let's take a look at the time. It's 5:09:45 or so. And so while we're waiting, I'm going to go ahead and write a sticky note off camera here with today's date on it. So I'm going to write 12/14/17. And I'm doing this for later reference down the road when I decided to actually go and shoot this. I'll know how old it is. So looking at the box, I'm going to go ahead and put the sticky note right on the back side here, and then of course drop it inside of our bag. Just like this. It's like slippery, kind of tough sometimes. Alright. Okay, and then make sure it's nice and seated on the bottom here. Nice and centered. Looks good. And let's take a look at our time. Yep, about a minute has passed, so we're definitely good. And just like, you know, what we just did, curled side down, and the machine, after you seal something, I noticed the machine just clicks back onto the normal mode, the vacuum sealing mode. And so when we feed it in, you're going to want to kind of pull it taut right down here as close to the box as possible. So let's go ahead and do that. Feed it in. Alright, now it's just sealing it off. I think that red light means it's sealing off like one end of the bag. Alright, just released it, and there you guys have it. The 26th box of vacuum sealed ammo. Well guys, as always, thanks for watching, subscribing, and have a great day.